What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brock. You're watching Truckin' with Uncle B, and in this video I'm going to show you how we inspect the cars before we put it on the trailer. And today we'll be inspecting a Lamborghini Urus from the auction, Manheim, Fort Worth, Texas. I had to walk a lot to get here. Rule number one: do not walk half a mile to the office just to be turned back around to go back to the truck because you forgot your ID. I know better than that. What am I doing? We got the ID. Let's try this again. I think I'm lost. Alright, we got the keys. Alright guys, the car is here. Let's do an inspection on her. Just kidding. We're in the Lamborghini. Look at this truck. Jeez. So this is the car. Looks very nice, very clean. But watch me find 1,010,000 things. In this video, we're going to talk about how we find the scratches, interior damages. You see right away that gas tank's open. Might be broken. Gotta note that down. Yeah, so let's get to it. So we use a app called Super Dispatch that helps us do everything. I'm going to put you guys on my head so you get a view like that while I do everything, so you guys can follow along. You guys ready? All right, let me walk you through how we do this first. I'm going to be taking a picture starting from here and here as well. So we not only do we get the rails, we get a little bit of the roof as well. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same thing. Now we're going to imagine the whole car, the profile of it, split it in half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 on the bottom. But we are including rims and the bottom of the skirt, as well as 3 pictures of the mirror. 1, 2, and 3. And for the back, we are doing 4. Same thing on top. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm taking a picture of the bottom as well. We're going to go in the interior. We're going to see if there's any interior damages only on the driver's side, because the rest does not concern us. I'm going to open this trunk. Is that a dent? No. I'm going to open this trunk. I'm going to see if there's anything in there that I have to document. This side's basically the same. The front is the same as well. And then after that, we'll be taking a picture of the top of the roof. Yeah, all right, let's get to it. I'm going to fast forward this. So. Okay, now we got the interior. Let's talk about the interior. Like I said, the only thing that concerns us is this seat, this side right here, that rail, this A-pillar, this door, anything on here as well, because we do climb out of the window. I don't know if you could see that, but there's a scratch right there. Gotta note everything. All right, let's take these pictures. Okay, you see this right here? It's dirty. Gotta mark that as well. I already got the mileage and everything. I just don't want to give too much information for you guys. And before that app turns on, you have to put a lot of information as well, but I don't want to give the customers information out. But let's go and look at the trunk. If I can find the key. Alrighty. Okay, yeah, you see? This is why we check the trunk. What is this? Some sort of metal. Not sure what that is. Don't want to scratch anything. License plate. Another piece of metal in the bag. Let's see what's up here. I'm not scratching anything when I open this. Nope. All right, so we got Looks like a run flat. Oh, that's an old tire. Okay, we got an old tire there. I'll take a picture of all that too. All right. Okay, so we got all that. Now we could close it. Now this is where the fun part begins. Now we have to go and mark every little single detail that we see on the vehicle. Alright, I'm going to take you off my head for this so I can show it to you better. Not sure if you guys can see that, but that's everything that I found. So let's quickly go over it. So now that I could zoom in and show you guys, you see all that? That's scratched. That's the scratch I was talking about. See up here? Not sure what that is. See the mirror scratched right here? There is a PPF on here, which is a paint protection film. But still, the rim is all scratched up here, here, also up there. Like I said, I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at this. It's like paint. I don't know what that is. That's coming off. The first SUV I ever saw with scratches on the bottom of the bumper. Look at this. That's crazy. Like the whole front of this car is shot. It's all scratched. Alright, you got another damage right here. Look at this rim. I don't know. That's gonna throw off your balance for sure. This part doesn't look right to me. This one comes out a little bit more. The gap isn't even. Looks like that was repaired. You gotta note that. Look at this mirror. There as well. This little black stain in there. Look at this, is all like ripped. What do we got in this rim? Yeah, look at that. Little curb rash, I think that's what they call it. Yeah, look at this, another one right there. This whole thing is cooked. See that? I don't know what that is, but got one right here. Yeah, this is why we inspect it and take so many pictures. Because if I were to, you saw how many I just named out on the tip of my head real quick. If I were to miss one of those 160 plus pictures I took will save my ass. All right, we're good to go with her. All right, guys, we are done. I didn't want to make that seem too crazy, but it's an inspection. We have to do it. We have to cover our own butt, or we're gonna get blamed by everybody. So it doesn't matter if it's a Lamborghini, Ferrari, Pagani. It could be anything. We have to take a pictures. Like right now, I took around 170 pictures. Why? Just in case I missed something, because we saw a bunch of stuff there. Bunch of stuff I showed you. Look, now that I'm looking, I see a scratch right here on that piano black trim. But I have nothing to do with that. I'm only sitting in this seat. And as well, you could see there, that's thing, and this as well. But I took a picture of all that. It's all these little things. And this car's from the auction. God knows what this guy did with this car. But it's going to a dealer. They're probably going to fix it up. So yeah, so that's how our inspections work. Hopefully you guys understand a little better. And I do this with every car, like I said before. So it looks like I just get the car and I put it in the trailer. No. I take like 10 to 15 minutes to do an inspection on every single car. But yeah, anyways, I don't want to make this video too long. But like, comment, share, subscribe, do whatever you got to do. Yeah, see you on the next one. Peace.